class. Today we have a double lesson, and after this your English teacher gave me the next 2 lessons. Also after break I'll also continue because you have a PE, so no way for PE. Shut up. Yes, no PE. Are we together? So yes, Mr. Principal.
Excuse me, Mwalimu. There are some of these students who have not paid school fees.
Oh.
Yeah, even 5 shillings. So it becomes very hard for the school to run.
Yeah.
So immediately you hear your name, you go outside. Go and remind your parents about school fees, isn't it?
Yeah.
You pay very fast. Hiya, my boy. Geoffrey Kumuri. Johnson, you can follow. Jeff Munga. Nicole Agreement. Then we have Kinudia Geoffrey, you can go. Then we have Carol Waida. Then last but not least, we have Victor Sakuye.
Excuse me, Mr. Principal.
Yes.
I had talked to the parents to Sakuye.
Yes.
Yeah, nilikuwa nimeongea na yeye.
Oh, uko na ripoti yake?
Uko na ripoti yake.
Ni sawa. Haina shida.
So huyu wako sawa.
Ni sawa. And thank you, Mwalimu.
Alright. So today is just me and you. I can see you're doing a good job. So this is what I was talking about last time. When we are talking about the hearts, this diagram, the heart, blood first enters the pulmonary artery or the
Mwalimu, excuse. Kuna mzazi anakuita, so ende uongee naye, anataka class teacher wa hili darasa.
Mzazi?
Wacha mimi nifunze Sakuye, niwachie Bairo. Then nikimalizana na Sakuye nitakuita. Tunamfunza the whole day.
Yeah.
Nataka syllabus tumalize. Victor Sakuye, haya fungua math. Mahali ulifanya math, leta kitabu ya math. Leta hii unataka kutoa, si ndio? So, tulikuwa pale kwa taxable income. As I told you, taxable income is equals to basic salary plus all allowances minus relief, isn't it? Nikimaliza niite mwalimu wa hesabu, akitoka niite wa chemistry tena, akitoka niite wa biology. Una bahati. Nice one.